Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Bill, and this video we're going to take a look at an erosion project which started recently. This is being shot in an area where normally every year I come down and shoot video of the American bank swallows flying around and going into their nests and so on and so forth. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, you've probably seen some of those videos, and if you have an interest on seeing those videos, you can look back in my video list. This area that we're flying over now, and you can see where the dirt and mud is seeping out into the Lake Erie, is in the past had cliffs, and you can see some in the distance there, but they were much taller than they were 75 to 100 feet tall. And the American bank swallows would drill holes into those cliffs and nest inside there. They'd come up here every May through the end of August or so and raise one or two groups of chicks, and then migrate back down south again. And the last 2 or 3 years I shot videos of them doing that along these vertical cliffs here on the shore of Lake Erie. Well, a couple weeks ago I came down here to do a regular springtime shoot and see all the birds, but when I came down here all I found was a bunch of earth moving equipment, bulldozers and various shovels and backhoes and different things here that you can see there in the picture there. And they basically completely destroyed the cliffs. They're taking the cliffs down piece by piece, loading them up into trucks, and then they're transporting the dirt, and they're trying to make a sloping area that they can perhaps plant grass on. But I'm looking at the work that they're doing, and they're not putting any rock down at where the lake runs into the shoreline. And so I think all this is going to be like wasted effort, because when the big waves come rolling in, it's going to just wipe out all of that area. So I'm hoping that they're, at some point they're going to put some rock down there, but at least at this point you can see it looks like this whole area was strip mined, and they're just, they reduced the 75 to 100 foot banks or cliff walls down to what you see here on the western side. Basically, it's kind of like a sloping area that doesn't really stop anything. You can see some crevices there where groundwater is seeped through the area that they flattened and is basically running out into the lake, and you can see the evidence of that by the brown murky water all along the lake shore. So whoever is doing this project, I think, is sort of barking up the wrong tree. We're coming up on the west end of the park lake frontage, and you can see there's a truck there that just delivered some dirt, from up above, brought it down here, and you can see this bulldozer is going to be moving the dirt. And again, it appears that they're just kind of like taking dirt from one area and bringing it down here and trying to move it around, and they're not really making anything that's going to stop wave action that I can see. You can see some guys down there. So there are some rocks there, but I think those rocks are there from the adjacent property. The property that's on the right side of your screen belongs to someone. Here I zoomed in a little bit so that you can get a better idea of the size and scope of the project. You see a guy walking there, and this bulldozer moving the dirt around that they brought around here. Now here comes another truck down, and he's going to dump his load down there. And then these trucks are just one after, they go make a trip, go up and get dirt, bring it back down here, and then this bulldozer is moving this dirt around. I really don't see. You can see all along the shore where they're dumping dirt. It's basically leaking back right out into the lake. So this is not going to stop anything as far as I can see until they get some hard fill or some rocks down along there. And the last time I checked with the city or township administrator, he said they didn't have the money for it. But then I talked to a guy here you'll see here in a moment. He said they got the money from some kind of a grant. Here you can see where the groundwater is actually seeping through the area where they did some work, and it's just running back down to the lake. So we're flying back here, and in the distance you'll see me in my blue jacket there talking to an older a retiree that was taking a walk through the park, and he stopped to talk to me about everything that was going on. I got some information from him. You see him standing there to the right of me, and I explained to him about the Evo and the sort of things that they can do, and he got pretty excited about it and was all ready to go out and buy himself a toy grade drone and start shooting video. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little look at what's going to be a disaster, I think, and I'll keep shooting video on it to see if they straighten things out. Thanks for stopping by and having a look, and we'll keep you updated on what they do here. Stop back again, leave a comment if you're so inclined, and thanks for stopping.